Hi, I'm getting closer to my work, actually to work at the job doing it. And that will be, well, in a month or 2 or 3. So, but you have to start knowing what is we're working about. So I got something from Karina, my colleague, who has wrote everything works. I need to know about this. So I haven't really looked at these, so let's see what they sound like when I read them first. So I'll just put it here. Oops. Okay, there we go. We start in the PC, anything with a computer at all. So Windows, got that. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and the Microsoft Teams, the Outlook, the OneDrive, the Explorer, and the Internet Explorer. And the Microsoft Edge is another, and the Firefox. I never use in Firefox anyway. And the Google Chrome, Visual Studio Code, the Azure DevOps, Azure DevOps, Snagit, and Camtasia, which is actually what is recording this for you too now. Oh, okay, so that's the last for the general PC. So let's go into the community. It is how we work together with, well, everyone love each other. And that, of course, starts with XRM Toolbox. That's it, of course. Slack, WhatsApp, PCF Gallery, Scottish Summit, Nordic Summit. It's another, well, we have people meeting and doing this. Anyway, I shouldn't talk about it. I should just read this, sorry. The Level Up for Dynamics 365 or Power Apps. Oh, that's really a long one. Lever up. No, not really. It doesn't sound right. Well, it's something you use on Chrome for the tools. Level up, something like that. And some place in Power Platform Weekly, Power Platform Development Weekly, and the Power Wiki. That's the community things. And then we go down to developments. Again, C#, JavaScript, TypeScript, plugins is something you develop, and custom workflows. Oh, that's what I got for development. And now we got the big one. This is the development platform. Coming in really very good with the first one. Anyway, here we go. Power Platform, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, Power Virtual Agents, and Dataverse. That's what they call the database, which was to be XRM, and well, anyway, now it's Dataverse. Okay, AI builders, Power Apps, component framework, Power Apps well, it's almost right, almost. And then we have AIAD. So what's that for? It's the app in a day. For one day you have doing things to learn this. Addictive cards never worked actually. API request limits. You need to know that. The custom actions, the customs APIs, the PowerFX. That's actually something that they came out while well, not really working within the stroke doing. Well, I heard of something when I read about it. It was PowerFX. Should look good. App source. Business rules. COE, that means Center of Excellence. It looks very nice. Cloud floor. Okay. Business process flows. Okay. Desktop flows. ALM. Virtual entities. XRM. CRM. DLP. DLP policies. ISV. Model driven apps. Canvas apps. Power query, and data flow. That was the Power Platforms. And then finally, another sort of sub to that, meaning the data flows. No, dataverse as noun. It's entities and table. It's columns and fields and columns. And then we have records and rows, and two option, 1 or 2. And those all 4 things, the last one here, is really, they were changed after a year or less than that. And you may have whether the changes were good or bad. We shouldn't go into now. But anyway, so now I tried all these words. They have everything I need to know. And of course I feel I recognize everything what it is. But when I look on it, I read it, or rather when I look at it, I know what it is. And then trying to say it for it, yes, you hear now, it's really much harder, so much harder. So it's the other thing on my problems with the language is sometimes it's very easy to say and hard to write it, and sometimes it's really to read on the text and hard to say it properly. So okay, let's see how it works when I go back to the job.